What is going on, guys? In today's video we are going to be going through a 20-minute full body kettlebells workout. It is going to get your heart rate high, it is going to get you sweaty, it is going to increase your fitness levels, it is going to do all kinds of awesome stuff for you, and we're starting right now. So welcome to the video. If you're new here, this channel is all about how to get the most from your lifestyle with fitness in mind. If you'd like to stay up to date with the channel, please hit that subscribe button below. I'll be posting videos every Tuesday and Friday. And if there's anything specific you'd like to see, please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make a video specifically around your request. Now, I have recently done a video on kettlebell exercises, some specific exercises. That proved to be quite popular, so I thought it'd be worthwhile doing another one. Given the fact that we've got 3 more weeks in lockdown, it just makes total sense to do another video to help as many people as possible with their exercise regimes, particularly if motivation is a little low. I know it is a little low for me at the minute, and I'm doing my best to try and keep myself as motivated as I possibly can. So another kettlebells video, but this time we're going to steer it more towards a specific workout that you can do. Kettlebells are a great piece of equipment because you can literally do it anywhere. You can do it in your front room, you can do it in your garden, you can do it in your garage if you have one. You can just pick it up and you just go. You can just go for it. If you don't already own a kettlebell and you're thinking about getting one, you're like on the fence, then I would highly suggest you buy one. They're so versatile in terms of the movement patterns. You can just go and explore the internet or check out some other fitness channels, but there is hundreds of exercises out there, and there's also hundreds of different formats and rep schemes that you can use to plug and play. So with regards to today's workout, we are going to be going through 5 different movements, and we're going to be going for 20 minutes in total. Because we're using a 20-minute time format, what we're going to be doing with the rep scheme is that we're going to be counting the reps. Instead of going for like 1 minute, we're going to be doing a certain amount of reps, because that's a lot easier to count in your own head when the clock's running, so you don't have to think about 2 things at once. So all you've got to think about is a specific movement pattern that you're doing and the amount of reps that you've done, and as soon as that's done, you move on to the next exercise. So in terms of the exercises, the 5 different movement patterns that we're going to be doing is, number 1 is going to be an American swing. So it's slightly different from a Russian swing in the fact that you bring it all the way above your head and then back down. Then after that, it's going to be a single arm kettlebell snatch, and you can alternate the repetitions from one arm to the next. Third exercise is going to be a goblet squat. Fourth exercise is going to be a single arm push press, and the 5th exercise is going to be a sumo deadlift to high pull. So we'll dive into those movement patterns just now. I think, and it's just my opinion, that barbers and hairdressers need to be deemed as key workers. I mean, I'm just not quite sure how long I've got left. I mean, I know fine well that it's definitely going to be another 3 weeks, but this mop definitely needs a trim, and I just do not trust Susan to clip it down. I can't do it. The next vlog I'm gonna have to be wearing a hat. Since we're on the topic of kettlebells here, I want to share you with a quick story about this little bad boy here. I took a trip to this skip and somebody had thrown that away in the metal bin. I was like, what? Why would you do that? So I rescued that little kettlebell. You're gonna get melted down and everything, but now he's in here making memories, changing lives. Kettlebell is not just for Christmas, it's for life. So one tip that I would share with you for this particular exercise, or for any workout really, is that when you're going through the movements, make sure, because obviously it's for 20 minutes, okay? So you wanna try and maximize the amount of work that you're doing over that time period. So don't go too hard out the traps, okay? Don't go really fast at the beginning, because you'll burn out very quickly, and it will get challenging quite quickly. So what I would advise to do, just a bit of a tip, is just to take your time with it. Take it at a pace that you know that you can consistently move for the whole of the 20-minute period. Now, when I What I don't want you to be doing is getting 3 rounds into it, or you'll get 5 minutes into it and you think, oh, do you know what, this is challenging, this is too tough, and I'm gonna need to take a rest. That's not where you should be. If that's happening, you need to scale it back and you need to take it at a pace where you can continuously move for 20 minutes. Now, if that means scaling back the reps or the time or the weight, then that's what you need to do. But keep moving. The workout is designed for you to keep moving throughout the whole duration. So there we have it, guys. That is a 20-minute full body kettlebell workout that you can do anywhere in your house. If you want to make this more challenging, all I would suggest to do is just increase either the rep range, the weight, or the time frames that you're doing it for. And if it's too challenging for you and you want to just maybe tone it down a little bit, either reduce the weight, reduce the reps, or reduce the times that you're doing it for. If you've only got a little bit of time, just do it for 10 minutes. If you've got a bit of time on your hands, increase that to 25, 30 minutes. But if you've got a kettlebell and you've got 20 minutes and you've got a positive attitude, then hit that workout. Guys, if you'd like to keep up to date with the channel for lifestyle tips, recent fitness, CrossFit news, or just some exercise demos, then hit that subscribe button below. Smash that like button because it does help the channel grow, and I want to share this knowledge and insight with as many people as possible. If there is anything specific you'd like to see, please do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.